Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make green apple and banana slice. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of self-raising flour which I have sifted, some cooking spray, 1 cup of corn flour which I have sifted as well, 2 ripe bananas which I have peeled and chopped, 1 cup of brown sugar or you can add it according to your taste, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 120 grams of soft butter, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar for dusting, and 3 green apples which I have peeled and grated. After grating the apples, they might discolor, but they are still perfectly fine to use. You can also use pink lady apples as well. You will also need a sliced tin or any baking tray. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees for a fan forced oven and 180 degrees for a conventional oven. Mash your bananas using a fork and put it aside. Take a big dish, add butter and sugar and beat it well using an electric beater or a whisk. Add eggs one at a time and beat it well. Add self-raising flour, corn flour and cinnamon powder and mix it using a spatula. Add grated apples and mashed bananas and mix it well until combined. Spray the baking tray with some cooking spray and scrape the batter into the baking tray and spread it evenly using the spatula. Tap it on the bench top twice and bake it in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes in the baking tray. After 10 minutes, use a strainer to dust the top of the slice with some icing sugar or powdered sugar and cut it into any size or shape you like. My apple and banana slice is ready and you can serve it warm or cold on its own or with some whipped cream, vanilla ice cream or some custard. Leftover slice can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.